So hi friends, just come to the park now, and there's Pindu is coming running. See, he is running. Oh, he's hopping. He's hopping. Hurry, hurry, hurry. There's Pindu boy. Pindu, come. Here, come. They all come. All of them are come fast. Yeah, sharing it you, friends. Yeah, Pindu. Hey, Pindu boy is come. John, and this is Pindu. Hey, Pindu's come. Come, Pindu, come. Come, Mama, give. Come. Come. Pindu, take. Pindu, boy. Take Pindu. Take here. Take. Take. Take John. Take John. Take John. Take John. John. Take John. Take John. Take. See Pindu. Take Pindu. Come, Mama. Here. Come. Take Pindu. Take. Come. Take. Come. Take. Come. Come. Take. Come. Come. Take Pindu. Come. Pindu. Come. Take. Pindu. Come. Come. Take. Take Pindu. Come. Come. Take. Come fast. You're there. I don't know, is it Pindu's baby or what? Pindu, come. John, come. John, take. Come. They come. Take. Take Pindu boy. There is come. Take. Come Pindu, come. That is not Pindu boy. That's his baby, I think. He's a little scared. Come fast. He's sharing with you. Yeah? Come, take. John, take. Come. John. Come Pindu, come. He's come to take. Come. Take. I give other body take. Please come to take, see. Take fast. Take. Take fast. Take. See. He took it, see. He took it, yeah. John mouth is full. There is took. See, there's John eating. See, that is John, not Pindu boy. John, and there's a baby here. See, Pindu take. Come, Pindu take. Take Pindu boy. Take Pindu boy, come. Pindu boy is come. Take Pindu boy, come. Take Pindu boy. Pindu boy is come now. Take Pindu, come. Come, take. John take. I give John. Come fast. May not come. Take fast. Come fast, not Pindu boy. Come fast. Come, take. Take Pindu's come now. Pindu's come. There. Take Pindu. Okay. There he took Pindu boy. Take Pindu. The other birds. So it was very nice. It's a nice day today. So I'm just leaving to go to church. Yeah. So hi friends. Just leaving to go to church now. So today is Good Friday. Yeah, so just sharing with you friends, yeah. Hi friends, I just fed them. So I'm leaving to go to church now. It's Good Friday, yeah. More later. Bye for now. Love you. Take care.